What if I told you Higgsfield AI just removed one of the biggest problems with AI generation? Running out of credits. Right now, every new Higgsfield user gets 24 hours of unlimited access to all of their top AI models, including Seedance 2.0, and today I'm going to test it from scratch. We'll create cinematic AI images, turn them into multiple videos using different prompts, test the image, video, and audio models, and see if this unlimited offer is actually worth it. And if you want to follow along, I've left the link right at the top of the description so you can claim the same free access after watching this video. Let's get started. If you've been using AI tools for a while, you've probably experienced the same thing I have. You find an AI platform that looks amazing, you generate a few images, maybe one or two videos, then suddenly, you've run out of credits. Now you're forced to either stop creating or upgrade before you've even had enough time to decide whether the platform is right for you. That's exactly why this new Higgsfield offer caught my attention. For a limited time, every new user gets a full 24 hours of unlimited access to all of Higgsfield's top AI models. That includes image generation, video generation, audio generation, and yes, Seedance 2.0 is included. So instead of guessing whether the platform is worth using, you actually get enough time to explore it properly. The best part is that if you decide it's not for you, you can cancel during the first 24 hours with just one click, and you won't pay anything. So let's create a brand new account and put everything to the test. Creating an account is straightforward. You can sign up with your Google account, your Apple account, or simply use your email address. For this video, I'll use my Google account. During the setup, Higgsfield asks a few quick questions about how you plan to use the platform. Just answer them based on your own workflow. The whole process only takes a minute. Once you're done, you'll arrive at the Higgsfield dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see the available subscription plans. Under the Plans section, click Get Free Trial. At this point, you'll be asked to add a payment method to activate the offer. Don't worry, you're not paying anything up front. This simply activates your 24-hour unlimited access to all the top models on the platform. If you decide Higgsfield isn't for you after testing it, you can cancel within the first day in just one click and you won't be charged. If you enjoy using it, your subscription continues automatically after the trial period. Now let's see what we actually get. This is probably my favorite part. Once your subscription is active, you'll have access to more than 21 premium AI models during your free unlimited access. That includes image models like Seedream 5.0, Pro Seedream 5.0, Lite, Nano Banana, Pro Nano Banana 2 GPT Image 2, and several others. For video generation, you'll have access to Seedance 2.0, Seedance 2.0, Fast Seedance 2.0, Mini Gemini OmniFlash, Kling 3.0, Kling 3.0 Motion Control, and WAN 2.7. You also get access to AI audio models including Seed Audio 1.0, 11 v3, Minimax Speech 2.8 HD, Vibe Voice, and Seed Speech. Instead of jumping between different AI platforms, everything is available from one dashboard. Before we generate our first image, there are two settings you should always check. First, choose the aspect ratio that matches the type of content you're creating. If you're making YouTube videos, you might prefer a landscape format. For Shorts or TikTok, a vertical aspect ratio usually works better. Next, make sure the unlimited option is enabled. Since we're testing the unlimited offer, this allows us to generate as much content as we want during the access period without worrying about credits. Depending on the image model you choose, you can also generate images in up to 1K or 2K resolution, giving you high-quality results that are suitable for professional creative work. One more tip before we move to video generation. Some video models require a specific generation duration, such as 7 seconds, for the unlimited feature to apply. So always check the duration settings before you generate your videos. Now comes the fun part. Instead of creating random images, I'm going to build two complete cinematic projects from start to finish. For each project, we'll generate a single image. Then turn that same image into multiple cinematic videos using different prompts and camera movements. This is a great way to see how different prompts can completely change the final result without creating a new image every time. Let's start with the first example. For the first example, I want to create something that looks like it belongs in a big-budget science fiction movie. Instead of generating multiple unrelated images, I'm going to create one strong cinematic image, then use that same image to generate several completely different videos. This is actually one of my favorite workflows because it saves time while letting you explore different storytelling ideas from a single image with our 24 hours unlimited offer. To create the image, I'm going to use Seedream 5.0 Lite first. After that, I'll compare the exact same prompt with Nano Banana 2, Seedream 4.5, and GPT Image 2 to see how each model interprets it. Let's start with the image. Image prompt. A cinematic futuristic detective standing beneath glowing neon lights in a rain-soaked city street at night. Wearing a sleek modern trench coat with subtle, illuminated details, looking confidently toward the camera. Dense futuristic skyline in the background with holographic billboards, reflective wet pavement, atmospheric fog, dramatic cinematic lighting, realistic rain, ultra-realistic photography, shallow depth of field, highly detailed. Before I generate this image, let me explain why I structured the prompt this way. The first sentence defines the main subject. Instead of simply saying a person in a city, I describe a futuristic detective because it immediately gives the AI a clear visual direction and creates a stronger cinematic atmosphere. Next, I build the environment. By mentioning glowing neon lights, rain-soaked streets, atmospheric fog, and a futuristic skyline, I'm giving the model enough context to create depth instead of leaving the background empty. Lighting is another important part of the prompt. Words like dramatic cinematic lighting, reflective pavement, and shallow depth of field help produce an image that feels more like a movie frame than a regular AI picture. Finally, I finish with ultra-realistic photography and highly detailed 8K because I want the model to prioritize realism and image quality. Let's generate it. That looks incredible. The reflections on the wet ground, the lighting bouncing off the buildings, the depth created by the fog, everything works together to create a believable cinematic scene. Now, I didn't stop with just one model. I also tested this exact same prompt using Nano Banana 2, Seedream 4.5, Lite, and GPT Image 2. Each model produced a different interpretation of the scene. Some created stronger lighting, some focused more on realism, others added a slightly different cinematic mood. That's one of the biggest advantages of having multiple image models in one place. Instead of changing your prompt over and over again, you can simply try another model and choose the version you like best. Now let's animate this image. For the first animation, I don't want anything complicated. I'm going to keep the movement simple because simple camera movement often produces the most realistic results. Instead of asking the character to perform dramatic actions, I want the environment to do most of the storytelling. The rain, the reflections, the lighting. Those are the details I want Seedance 2.0 to focus on. Here's the prompt. Prompt: create a cinematic slow push-in toward the detective while maintaining realistic body posture. Rain continues falling naturally as soft neon reflections move across the wet pavement and surrounding buildings. Atmospheric fog drifts gently through the background while dramatic cinematic lighting remains consistent throughout the shot. This is exactly the type of movement I was hoping for. The camera slowly moves closer without feeling artificial. The rain continues naturally throughout the scene. The lighting stays consistent, and the reflections on the pavement change realistically as the camera moves. That's the kind of subtle realism that makes AI videos feel much more cinematic. Now let's test something completely different. Instead of moving toward the subject, I'm going to ask the camera to slowly orbit around the detective. This is one of the easiest ways to test how well the model maintains character consistency from different viewing angles. It also gives us a better look at the environment surrounding the subject. Here's the prompt. Create a smooth, cinematic orbit around the detective while preserving facial features and clothing details. Neon lights illuminate the scene from different angles as rain falls naturally. Keep the camera movement slow and stable with realistic lighting and environmental reflections. I really like this result. As the camera moves around the character, the reflections change naturally, and the lighting continues to feel believable. More importantly, the character remains consistent throughout the animation instead of changing appearance between frames. That's something I always pay attention to when testing image-to-video models. So far, we've generated images, turned those images into multiple cinematic videos. But there is one more feature I wanted to test before wrapping up this video. The AI audio models. One thing I like about Higgsfield is that it isn't just an AI image generator or an AI video generator. It brings images, videos, and audio together in one workflow. That means you don't have to keep switching between different websites just to finish one project. Let's see how the audio performs. For this example, I'm going to use a short cinematic narration. Every great story begins with a single idea. What you create next is limited only by your imagination. I'll choose one of the available voices, generate the audio, and let's hear the result. I have to say, the quality is surprisingly good. The voice sounds clear, the pacing feels natural, and the pronunciation is smooth. For YouTube videos, short commercials, explainer videos, or even social media content, this can save a lot of time, especially if you don't want to record your own voice for every project. And since audio generation is included alongside the image and video models, it's nice having everything in one place instead of jumping between multiple AI tools. This is honestly one of the biggest advantages of this offer. Normally, when you're using AI tools, you're constantly thinking about credits. You hesitate before clicking generate because every generation costs something. Here, during the 24-hour access period, you can spend your time experimenting instead of worrying about running out of credits. That freedom makes a huge difference because creativity usually comes from trying different ideas, not from getting the perfect result on the first attempt. After spending some time testing Higgsfield, I think the biggest takeaway isn't just the quality of the models, it's the flexibility. During this video, we created 2 completely different cinematic projects. We also tested multiple image models, explored several video models, and even generated AI audio, all from the same platform. Having everything in one place makes the creative process much smoother. Instead of jumping between different websites, you can focus on experimenting, refining your ideas, and building complete projects from start to finish. Just to quickly recap, every new Higgsfield user gets 24 hours of unlimited access to all of the top models on the platform. That includes image models, video models, audio models, and Seedance 2.0 is included. If you decide it's not the right fit for you, you can simply cancel during the first day with one click and you won't be charged. If you decide to continue with an eligible paid subscription, you'll receive the additional benefits that come with your plan. If you've been waiting for the right time to explore AI content creation, this is probably one of the easiest opportunities to do it. I've placed Higgsfield link at the very top of the description, so if you'd like to try everything you've seen in this video, you can use that link to activate your 24-hour unlimited access as a new user. I genuinely recommend spending the time experimenting with different prompts, image models, and video models because that's where you'll really start to see what the platform can do. And if you enjoy tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe because I've got more AI workflows, prompt engineering tips, and hands-on testing videos coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.